Join us on an architectural journey like no other as we explore the iconic masterpiece, Fallingwater. Nestled amidst the forests of Pennsylvania, discover the secrets behind Frank Lloyd Wright's genius as we unveil the breathtaking harmony between nature and design in this architectural wonder. Get ready to be enchanted by Fallingwater. So, as soon as Jill reads some information in the booklet, we'll tell you more about the house. He said that there is an interpreter that you can usually ask some questions and stuff.
Yeah, they're a very rich couple.
Yeah, okay, very rich couple.
On the property.
The Kaufmans, right?
Yeah, he owned Kaufman's store or something.
What, was he the guy who owns the Kansas City Royals? Because
What's his last name? Well,
yeah, they were
not
Kaufmans.
then.
I don't know.
I'll
Check. I'll verify that fact right
their
there.
son became friends with Frank
Frank-
Lloyd Wright, and that's how they were introduced to them.
Oh.
And then they commissioned him to build the house.
I can tell you one thing right off the bat. This property is way too big for us.
I'm already lost.
We're lost, A, and B, I'm having anxiety looking at the landscaping here. I'm like kvetching over here.
Kvetching?
You know, I don't know.
My mom is rubbing off on you, huh?
Thanks, Carol. I am looking. See the house. Look at the floors. Look at the floors. They run through.
And they're wet inside.
Are they wet or are they sealed?
Oh, maybe they're sealed to look wet.
Wow, look at that, huh? Wow. I mean,
You can see down there.
I don't know if you can see my footage from inside the house, but it's unbelievable. It's incredible. This floor right here runs through the house. So this was the guest house. I mean, I'd like to be a guest here. It's like a little bit elevated. There's the main home. I don't know if you can see that. It's a little bright, but the main home's right there, and this is the guest house. So I just did a little reading, and it turns out Jill's assessment of the property and how it became was accurate. Turns out the house was completed, I believe the gentleman said 1936, and Christmas of 1937 was the first time that they came here as a family. And they used it for 25 years as their, and I quote, retreat. Must be nice to have money. Oh, God. I imagine the walks that Jill could take Monty on if we lived here. Where would we park the RV? The visitor center that had all Frank Lloyd Wright's public places.
And 71.
Oh, you looked?
I did.
I didn't buy the book, but I think that we should look for more of them when we're on our travels.
There's 71 in the U.S. and 3 in Japan that are open to the public.
Look at you! I think we should start looking for them more on our travels. All in all, worth the stop.